அணையாத சுடராக சபரிமலை ஜோதி, அற்புதம் அதிசயம் தை முதல் தேதி. அவதாரம் எட்டாக அருள் புரியும் சுவாமி, அகிலாண்ட நாயகனே ஐயப்ப சுவாமி. புஷ்கலையும் இருபுறத்து தேவி, பூரணமம் பௌர்ணமி போல் பொலிகின்ற சுவாமி. பூரணையும் புஷ்கலையும் இருபுறத்து தேவி, பூரணமம் பௌர்ணமி போல் பொலிகின்ற சுவாமி. பால் பருகி பால் கிண்ணம் கொண்டு மகிழ்கின்ற சாஸ்தாவால் மக பேரு உண்டு. பகவதியின் பால் பருகி பால் கிண்ணம் கொண்டு மகிழ்கின்ற சாஸ்தாவால் மக பேரு உண்டு. சூலமும் பாசமும் நாற்கரம் தாங்கி காலனை அழிப்பானே கரிகமலை மூர்த்தி. சக்தியின் நெஞ்சகம் சன்னதியாக்கி சௌக்கியம் தருவாரே சங்கடம் போக்கி. வில்லம்பு கை கொண்ட வேடனே சாஸ்தா, வீர விளையாட்டிலே வெல்லுகிற சாஸ்தா, வினயாவும் தீர்க்கின்ற வீரனே சாஸ்தா.
Not for anything, we need to continue this tradition, as Suresh Swami mentioned, pass on to the next generation. So please have your devotion towards that one. Within 5 years, we want to have this one, the Grand Bhajan, with 18 steps over here.
రాజధాని మందిర్లో స్వామి ఈ సంవత్సరము 250 మంది పైగా కన్యస్వాములు మాల ధరించారు. మాల ధరించి ప్రతి వారము ప్రతి సంవత్సరము ఇండియాకి వెళ్తున్నారు. ఇక్కడ ఎస్ఎస్వి టెంపుల్లో కూడా వాళ్ళ అయ్యప్ప వ్రతం 41 రోజులు పూర్తి చేసిన తర్వాత వాడు పడి పూజలు చేసుకుంటూ ఇడుముడి కార్యక్రమాన్ని ముగిస్తున్నారు. స్వామియే శరణం అయ్యప్ప.
We want to thank the Northern Virginia, Maryland, BC Ayyappa group to come over here for the last 25 years, having do a grand bhajan in Rajdhani Mandir. It is a different experience. I have been to Kerala, Sabarimala, but when I hear the songs from these Ayyappas, they do it vratam in a way that they have to be so dedicated for this one to get this one Ayyappa 18 steps over here. They are bringing the Sabarimala culture to Washington DC area. So we want to thank bottom of our heart to each and every Ayyappa. When they are doing the Vradam, they are taking into a different level. Thank you very much. Swamiye Saranam Ayyappa.
Today we had no less than 500 to 600 people join us, and each of these community members were enthusiastically served by our dedicated Ayyappa devotees. We sincerely pray to Ayyappa to bless us to continue to grow this group and bless each and everyone with the sound health and all the happiness.
It's also my pleasure today because I've been doing this as a part of our thing, and I've been the chef for the whole cooking, and we have a great team of volunteers who are really energetic, who've been working throughout for the last 1 week, preparing the food since 3 a.m. in the morning, getting ready so that they can be served at 12 noon. And this year has been so special because we had another group of sevakas whom they call. They've been associated and they've been doing a lot of these service in this area for the last 25 years, and they have been associated with us, and we have cooked around about 22 dishes. Thank you very much, and it's also my honor to be part of this group.
Swami, our Grand Bhajan Sadhya is beautiful, awesome, delicious. Thank you to all the volunteers.
Food is amazing. All the volunteers made this Grand Bhajan wonderful and a grand success.
ఆ భజన ఆ రాగానికి ఒక తాళం కూడా ఉంటాయి కనుక చాలా బాగుంటుంది. ఆ తాళమే మా మధుస్వామి డ్రమ్స్ అది చేస్తే కనుక ఎటువంటి రాగానికన్నా దానికి ఇంకొక నెక్స్ట్ లెవెల్లో వెళ్తూ ఉంటుంది.
స్వామి ఈరోజు భిక్ష అద్భుతము, మహా అద్భుతము. ఎస్పెషల్లీ ఆల్ వాలంటీర్స్కి, మీనాక్షి స్వామికి పొద్దున్నే ఎర్లీ మార్నింగ్ 3 o'clock వచ్చి చేసి వాళ్ళ సేవకి ఎంతో మంత్రముగ్ధులం అయ్యాం స్వామి శరణం. ఇలాంటి సేవ ఒరిజినల్ చేస్తున్నారంటే అందరి స్వాములకు పాదాభివందనం. స్వామి శరణమయ్యా.
ఐ థింక్ చాలా స్ట్రీమ్ చాలా బాగా వచ్చాయి, అందరినీ కవర్ చేయగలిగాం, అండ్ ఇట్ వాజ్ వెరీ మెమరబుల్ మూమెంట్. ఇఫ్ యూ గో బ్యాక్ అండ్ సీ ఆఫ్టర్ ఫ్యూ ఇయర్స్, ఇట్ వుడ్ బి అమేజింగ్ టు సీ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ folks. So whenever I'm getting a Diksha next time, right, I would always go back and see all my colleagues, and that would be an amazing experience today to have you all with us. Thank you so much for making this memorable moment captured, Shankar Swami and Vicky Swami.
ఫుడ్ చాలా బాగుంది, కమ్మగా ఉన్నాయి, అన్నీ కూడా చాలా వెరైటీస్ చేశారు.
Very, very well done everything. All the volunteers did such an amazing job, Andy.
And thanks to each and everyone, and thanks for capturing this Shankar Swami.
We have been doing this puja since 2004 with the help of all volunteers and then the lead coordinators. And I've been taking this Ayyappa Diksha since 1997. We used to guide with the help of all our Guru Swamis. So many volunteers come and then participate in our Grand Ayyappa Bhajan. We also have Ayyappa Puja every Saturday, and people participate and contribute in that. Swamiye Saranam Ayyappa. Swamiye Saranam Ayyappa.